Feeling drained? Unpack. I'm pooped in English. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very colloquial and expressive phrase, I'm pooped. If you've ever heard someone say this and wondered what it's all about, or if you're looking to enrich your English vocabulary with some colorful expressions, then you're in the right place. Let's get straight to the point. When someone says, I'm pooped, they're not talking about anything related to babies or birds. In English, this phrase is a very informal way to say that one is extremely tired or exhausted. It's a quirky expression that can instantly convey a feeling that we all experience from time to time, being completely worn out. You might be wondering where this phrase comes from. Well, it's believed that pooped, in this context, is derived from the nautical term pooped, which refers to a wave crashing over the stern of a ship, a situation that can leave the ship rather overwhelmed, just like a person might feel after a long, tiring day. Over time, pooped evolved in everyday language to mean feeling overwhelmed or worn out in a general sense. Now, when is the right time to use this expression? I'm pooped is perfect for informal conversations, like chatting with friends or family after a long day of work or play. However, it's not something you would want to say in a formal situation, like at a job interview or in a business meeting. It's too casual and might make you seem unprofessional in such settings. To give you a better understanding, let's see I'm pooped in action. After the marathon, Justin flopped down on the grass and sighed, I'm totally pooped. Can we go home now? Asked the little girl after the party. I'm pooped. These examples show that I'm pooped is a relatable and expressive way to communicate that you're tired, but in a more light-hearted and playful manner. So, there you have it. Next time you're feeling really tired, why not try saying, I'm pooped, instead of just, I'm tired? It's a fun way to express yourself and will definitely add some personality to your English. We hope this video has shed some light on this charming phrase. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the unique phrases that make it special. Until next time, keep learning and stay lively. Just don't get too pooped.